ॐ भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयाम देवाः भद्रं पश्येमाक्षभिर्यजत्राः स्थिरैरङ्गैस्तुष्टुवांसस्तनूभिः व्यशेम देवहितं यदायुः स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवाः स्वस्ति नः पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो अरिष्टनेमिः स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। प्रज्ञानां सुप्रतानैः स्थिरचरनिकर व्यापिभिर्व्याप्य लोकान् भुक्त्वा भोगान् स्थविष्ठान् पुनरपि धिषणोद्भासितान् कामजन्यान् पीत्वा सर्वान् विशेषान् स्वपिति मधुरभुं मायया भोजयन्नो मायासङ्ख्यातुरीयं परममृतमजं ब्रह्म यत्तन्नतोऽस्मि। यो विश्वात्मा विदिजविषयान् प्राश्यभोगान् स्थविष्ठान् पश्चाच्चान्यान् स्वमतिविभवान् ज्योतिषा स्वेन सूक्ष्मान् सर्वानेतान् पुनरपि शनैः स्वात्मनि स्थापयित्वा हित्वा सर्वान् विशेषान् विगतगुणगणः पात्वसौ न स्तुरीयः। थर्ड कारिका। इतश्च स्वप्नदृश्याः भावाः वितथाः। इतः means for this reason also, for this hetu also. So I had asked you this ataha, how it is formed. They have this derivation, explanation, etc. given this is in Ashtadhyayi. If you see the sutra 535, etado an. So that an becomes ash. You can see the explanation. So etat plus tasil pratyay is there and it will become ataha. Later if you want I can send you. I don't have to send you, you know where this is. Just look at this sutra and the explanation is there, clear explanation under in Ashtadhyayi app. Etado an. Etat plus that tasil pratyaya, it will make it ataha. Okay. But explanation is there. But explanation, if it is there, the derivation, how different sutras are applied and how they come to this, that is also useful if we know. So they have given Panchamyastasil, then etado an, then swadishu sarvanama sthane, then sasajushoru. In this way few sutras come and then ataha shabda is formed. Okay, good, but at least some of you looked at it, so that is good. Yato टीका इतः शब्दार्थमेव स्फुटयति. What is itah means for this reason, yatah yasmat, yatah is yasmat, abhavaschaiva, that is yad shabda panchami. अभावश्चैव रथादीनां स्वप्नदृश्यानां श्रूयते न्यायपूर्वकम्. रथादीनां स्वप्नदृश्यानाम् अभावः न्यायपूर्वकम् मीन्स युक्तितः श्रूयते, श्रुतौ, न तत्र रथः इत्यत्र. टीका ज्ञेयाभावे ज्ञानाभावात् अर्थात ज्ञानस्यापि श्रुतम असत्वम इति वक्तुम च शब्दः. ज्ञेय अभावे ज्ञानाभावात्. When there is no ज्ञेय, then there is no ज्ञानम, and therefore ज्ञानस्यापि श्रुतम असत्वम. What is this line? Abhavascha, cha is there, right? What is the meaning of that cha? Tika, third line from the bottom. ज्ञेयाभावे ज्ञानाभावात् अर्थात ज्ञानस्यापि श्रुतम असत्वम इति वक्तुम च शब्दः. I think we saw this in Sankshipt Shariraka. Can you hear me or not, first of all? Okay, nobody remembers. Let us see the pada, we will understand. Jnaya abhave, when there is no jnaya. What is jnaya? Jnaya is object of knowledge. Rathadi. Rathadinam abhave, jnana abhavat. If rathadis are not there, their knowledge is also not there. And therefore, what do we say in the beginning? We say, first thing that we say is, even if object is not there, knowledge has taken place. Knowledge has taken place, this we say, right? That I saw the dream, dream has created sanskaras. This I explained in last few sessions, right? That if you see illusory object, let us say movie or some such websites you visit, it is all pratibhasika. But pratibhasik vastu has ability to create samskaras. Did I explain this or not in Sankshipt Shariraka? Right, yes, okay. So those things create samskaras, and then objects are not there. Means even in the absence of object, knowledge has taken place. This is first thing we say. Jnaya abhave api jnana sattvam. Now here is the next step. That if knowledge is not there, if object is not there, knowledge is not there means knowledge is mithya. Then jnanam is not satyam. But mithya jnanam has the ability to trouble you. What is said in Ramcharitmanas, that in Bhagavatam that shloka has come multiple times. स्वप्ने अनर्थागमो यथा. In swapna, like how anartha things can happen, like that in Jagrat also, अर्थे ही अविद्यमाने पी संस्कृति न निवर्तते. This is the Bhagavatam mantra. What is there in Ramayana? अर्थे ही अविद्यमानेपि संस्कृतिर न निवर्तते ध्यायतो विषयानस्य स्वप्ने अनर्थागमो यथा. Bhagavatam shloka. 3 times it has come. Artha is not there. Arthe hi avidyamanepi. Samsara will not go. Because those impressions will become formed, which we know. We say Vyavaharik Jagat is pratibhasik only, but samsara doesn't go. Why? Because we do dhyanam of such pratibhasika vishayas. So here it is said jnanam abhav, jnaya abhave jnana abhavat, अर्थात ज्ञानस्यापि असत्वम श्रुतम. ज्ञानम इज ऑल्सो मिथ्या. असत्वम इज मिथ्या, विच इज एक्सेप्टेड. सो च शब्द इज फॉर दैट. विषयाज आर ऑल्सो नॉट देयर, मीन्स विषयाज आर मिथ्या. ज्ञानम इज ऑल्सो मिथ्या, प्रातिभाषिक बोथ ऑफ देम. अर्थ इज अध्यास, ज्ञान इज ऑल्सो अध्यास. अर्थाध्यास, ज्ञानाध्यास. This is the meaning of cha shabda. Shruyate na tatra ityadyam shrutaviti sambandha. Shruyate na न तत्र, that न तत्र is a quotation. श्रूयते न तत्र इत्याद्यां श्रुतौ. न तत्र रथा न रथयोगाः इत्यादि. In that Shruti, this is the sambandha. कुत्र श्रूयते, तत्र श्रूयते. In that Shruti. न्यायपूर्वकम इति व्याचष्टे. न्यायपूर्वकम मीन्स युक्तितः. योग्य देशादि अभावो युक्ति. व्हाट इज द युक्ति? योग्य देश अभाव इत्यादि. तर्हि न्याय सिद्धे अर्थे किम अन्यपरया श्रुत्या क्रियते तत्र आह. देन इन दैट न्याय सिद्ध अर्थ किम अन्यपरया श्रुत्या. Now this is the Anyapara Shruti. This is another beautiful point. Anyapara Shrutya kim kriyate tatraha tena. First see Bhashya, then I will explain. तेन अंतस्थान संवृतत्वादि हेतुना प्राप्तं वैतथ्यं तद अनुवादिन्या श्रुत्या स्वप्न स्वयं ज्योतिष्व प्रतिपादन परया प्रकाशितम आहुः ब्रह्मविदः ब्रह्मविदः आहुः. Actually, Anand Giri ji has also given lot of explanation, but basic thing you understand first. Purvapakshi says, the Shruti that you are quoting, na tatra rathaha ratha yogaha, that Shruti has different prayojanam in Brahadaranyaka. That Shruti is not there to show Swapna Prapancha is mithya. That's why that Shruti is called Anyaparaya. Anyapara Shrutihi, Taya Anyaparaya Shrutya. So it has something else to point out. You are saying here that Shruti is pointing out Swapna Prapancha is mithya. So Bhashyakar says, Tena Antasthana Samvrutattvadi Hetuna because it is confined in that Antasthana which was already given, Uchita Desha Bhava, Uchita Kala Bhava, etc. Praptam Vaitathyam. Vaitathyam Praptam. Mithyatva is attained. This is only Anuvada of the main meaning of the Shruti. Anuvadinya Shrutya. Anuvada of what is the main meaning? Swapne Swayam Jyotishtva Pratipadana Paraya. The Shruti is Swayam Jyotishtva Pratipadana Parashruti. Those who are attending Brahadaranyaka Anubhuti Prakasha, I think I have explained this part. The purpose of the Shruti is to prove that there is a Jyoti different from physical body. What is the Anumanam there? Sarva Kriya Vyavahara Deha Vyatirikta Jyoti Purvakaha. Paksha is Kriya Vyavahara. All activities is in Jagrat, let us say, or in Swapna. Sarva Swapna Kriya Vyavahara Deha Jyoti Vyatirikta Jyoti Purvaka or Deha Vyatirikta Jyoti Purvaka. Sarva Swapna Kriya Vyavahara Deha Vyatirikta Jyoti Purvaka. What is the Hetu? Hetu is Jyoti Purvakatvat. Jagrat Vyavaharvat. Jagrat Vyavahara requires some Jyoti like Surya, Chandra. Third is Agni, Vidyut. And fourth is with Jyoti in Brahadaranyaka. Can you hear? Can you hear or not? Vak Jyoti. Vag Jyoti. Like in darkness, even if you speak, you can communicate. So Vak is also Jyoti. So Surya, Chandra, Vidyut, Vak Jyoti. Vidyut means Agni. In Swapna, none of these are there. Still there is Vyavahara. Therefore, there is Deha Vyatirikta Jyoti. That Jyoti is Atma. That is Swayam Jyoti. This is how Swayam Jyoti Brahmana is there. So that mantra has actually come to explain Swayam Jyotishtva of Atma. Bhagavan Bhashyakar accepts here. That mantra is Swayam Jyotishtva Pratipadana Para. But through Anuvada, it explains that there is no room in that nadi for any objects like sun, moon, etc. to exist, or other things like elephants, mountains, etc. Antasthanatvat. And therefore, their mithyatvam vaitathyam prakashitam. That Shruti also reveals the vaitathyam of the Swapna Vishaya. Says Brahmavidaha Ahuhu. Now in Tika, this is elaborated. Is this clear? Antashharira madhye sthanam nadi lakshanam. Antashharira madhye means within the body there is nadi. That is the sthana. Tatra ati sukshme samurtatvena sankuchitatvena avasthanam parvatadinam upalabhyate. In that sankuchitatvena, very confined space is there, in that it is available. Sankuchitatvena parvatadinam avasthanam upalabhyate. Tatascha uchita desha abhavaha yogya kala abhavascha. Uchita desha kala abhava is there. Means there is not enough space, there is not enough time. Ityadina praguktena hetuna. By the hetus which are already given in first two karikas. Hetuna praptam swapna drishya bhavanam vaitathyam. The swapna drishya bhavas, their mithyatva is praptam. Tadeva tad anuvadinya shrutyapi prakashitam ityahur brahmavidaha. That itself is revealed by the anuvadini shruti. Na tatra ratha na ratha yogaha is not direct shruti revealing that. It is the anuvadini of Swayam Jyotishtva Prakashana Para shruti indirectly reveals this. So there is honesty on Bhashyakara's part also. He says that the main meaning, main purpose for which that Shruti has come is different. We accept it, but indirectly it also reveals this. See, if you don't accept this, then there will be what is called as Vakya Bheda. One Vakya cannot have two meanings. It has, this is Mimamsa, one Vakya can have only one meaning, primary meaning. So the primary meaning is Swayam Jyotishtva. So that is the topic there. Jagrad avasthayam, see now this explanation. Adityadi prakashanam, Vagadi Jyotisham cha. Vagadi has come? Yes? So Adityadi Prakasha and Vak is also Jyoti. Vagadi Jyotisham cha Vidyamanatvat. they are there in waking. Asanadi vyavaharasya tannimittattva sambhavat. Any kriya vyavahara, asanadi vyavahara, tannimitta is based on those things. Tannimittattva sambhavat atma chaitanya nibandhano vyavaharah न निर्धारितुम शक्यते. That's why in waking it is difficult to arrive at that the vyavahara is because of Atma Chaitanya. Because so many other lights are there, lot of luminaries are there. So you can't say that there is only one luminary in Jagrat. So that Nirdharanam is not possible. So you have to go to such a place where all other lights are not there, Atma Jyoti is there, and Kriya Vyavahar is also there. If you go to Sushupti, all luminaries are not there. Atma Jyoti is there, but Kriya Vyavahar is not there. So then it will not help. So you go to Swapna. Swapne punaha Suryadi abhave api Vyavahara darshanat. Suryadi are not there, Vyavahara is there. And therefore, tasya cha nimitta apekshatvat. Tasya nimitta apekshatvat. Tasya kasya. No. Nimitta apeksha. Who will have nimitta apeksha? Vyavahara. Vyavaharasya nimitta apekshatvat. आत्म चैतन्यस्य तन्निमित्तत्व निर्णयात. आत्म चैतन्य is that nimitta. Other things are happening. Atma Chaitanya is nimitta. So Vyavahara requires Chaitanya. Atma Chaitanya is that nimitta because there is no other light. Tannimittattva nirnayat tatra atmanah swayam jyotishvam pratipadayitum न तत्र इत्याद्या श्रुति ही. दैट श्रुति इज आत्म चैतन्य से स्वयं ज्योतिष्ठ. आत्म चैतन्य इज स्वयं प्रकाश. स्वयं प्रकाश लक्षण आई हैड मेंशन्ड फ्रॉम चित्सुकी, राइट, इन द लास्ट क्लास इन संक्षेप शारीरक. अवेद्यत्वे सति अपरोक्ष व्यवहार योग्यत्वम प्रतिपादयितुम न तत्र इत्याद्या श्रुति. तया तत्परया न्याय सिद्धम स्वप्न मिथ्यात्वम अनुवदन्त्या तद अप्रतिपादितम अपि प्रकाशितम इष्यते. सो बिकॉज दैट श्रुति इज एक्सप्लेनिंग स्वयं ज्योतिष्व तया तत्परया श्रुत्या स्वयं ज्योतिष्व परया श्रुत्या न्याय सिद्धम स्वप्न मिथ्यात्व युक्ति सिद्धम. थ्रू युक्ति यू कैन डिराइव और अराइव एट दिस अदर पॉइंट ऑल्सो. स्वप्न मिथ्यात्व अनुवदंत्या. दिस इज द अनुवाद ऑफ दैट वाक्य. तत्प्रतिपादितम अपि तत् अप्रतिपादितम अपि. सो वैतथ्यम इज नॉट द प्रतिपादनम. 6 नंबर टिप्पणी. तात्पर्य विषयस्यैव प्रतिपादनं भवति. तात्पर्य विषय देयर इज व्हाट? स्वयं ज्योतिष्व. तात्पर्य विषय देयर इज नॉट पदार्थानां स्वप्न पदार्थानां वैतथ्यम. दैट इज नॉट द तात्पर्य देयर. प्रकाशितम इष्यते. 7 नंबर टिप्पणी. नहीं स्वप्न भावानां मिथ्यात्वं विना स्वयं ज्योतिष्ठम आत्मनः स्वप्ने शक्यं बोधम. शक्य बोधम should be one shabda. Shakyam bodham is not there. It is not Shakyam bodham. Shakya bodham is samasta pada. Make that correction. Nahi, na is there, so bodhum na shakyam. In this way you should understand that if swapna bhava were not mithya, atma would not be swayam jyoti. So because atma is swayam jyoti, therefore swapna bhavas are mithya. That is that line, 7th number tippani. Because if swapna bhavas were satyam, sun, moon, some luminary would have been there. Then atma jyotish would not be there. The atma jyotitvam would not have been arrived at. स्वाप्न ज्योतिर्भिः एव व्यवहारोपपत्तिः इति तन्मिथ्यात्वमपि श्रुत्यर्थाक्षिप्तत्वेन प्रकाशितम् उच्यते इत्यर्थः. थ्रू स्वाप्न ज्योति व्यवहारोपपत्ति, and therefore because nothing else is there, therefore you can say it is mithya. Those objects are mithya and jyoti is only atma jyoti. तथा च श्रुति युक्तिभ्याम प्रतिपन्नम स्वप्न मिथ्यात्वम इति दृष्टांत सिद्धि इत्यर्थः. So by 3 karikas स्वप्न मिथ्यात्व, this दृष्टांत सिद्धि is done. Once drishtanta siddhi is there, now we come to our mukhya anumanam. So anuman rachana is coming now. Keep your tarka sangraha skilled, sharpened. Not tarka sangraha, just basic anumanam. This you have studied so many times. Pratignya, hetu, drishtanta, etc. Tika. उक्तन्यायेन दृष्टान्ते सिद्धे फलितम अनुमानम आह. When through this nyaya दृष्टान्त सिद्धि is done, so now फलितम अनुमानम is explained. अंतस्थानात् तु भेदानां तस्मात् जागरिते स्मृतम् यथा तत्र तथा स्वप्ने संवृतत्वेन भिद्यते. अंतस्थानात् तु भेदानां भेदानां तु अंतस्थानात् तस्मात् जागरिते स्मृतम् यथा तत्र तथा स्वप्ने. So here anumanam is done in this shloka. Okay. If you rearrange and supply some words, then so yatha swapne tatha jagarite. This is going to be so swapna is drashtanta. Yatha swapne tatha jagarite. Antasthana, so bhedanam vaitathyam you will have to supply. Jagarite bhedanam vaitathyam. Antasthana is the mukhya hetu for swapna. The derived hetu Bhashyakara has given Drishyatvat. Drishyatva is the hetu. So Drishyatva is also there. You use Antasthana, you use Uchita Kala Abhavat as the hetu to come to Mithyatva or Swapna Padartha. When you say Swapna Padartha also has Drishyatva, the Vyapti will be Yatra Yatra Drishyatvam Tatra Tatra Mithyatvam. Then you use that in Jagrata. And Samvritatvena Vidyate means Samvritattva Hetu is not there in Jagrata. Samvritattva Hetu is there in Swapna. So that is also given. That much Bheda is there. But Mithyatva is Samana. Because Drishyatva is Samana. Bhedanam iti atra suchitam anumanam arachayati. That anumanam is done. Jagraditi. So now, Bhashya. Jagrad Drishyanam Bhavanam Vaitathyam iti pratignya. Drishyatvat iti hetu. So Jagrad Drishyanam Bhavanam is the Paksha. Jagrad Drishyaha Bhavaha. This is Paksha. Vaitathyam means Mithyatvam is the Sadhyam. Drishyatva is the hetu. Drishyatvat iti hetu. Swapna drishya bhavavat iti drashtanta. Drashtanta is also given like Swapna padarthas. Swapna drishya bhavavat iti drashtanta. Yatha tatra swapne drishyanam bhavanam vaitathyam तथा जागरितेपि दृश्यत्वम अविशिष्टम इति हेतुपनयः. Hetupanaya is also done. So first you just see the standard anumana. Parvato vanniman dhumavattvat. Parvata has vanni because there is dhuma. Dhumavattvat. When you give drishtanta, you have to give vyapti also. That is why Bhagavan Bhashyakara has given. Yatha tatra swapne drishyanam bhavanam vaitathyam tadha jagaritepi drishyatvam avishishtam. So, hetu should be given or drishtanta should be given along with vyapti. So, yatra yatra dhumas tatra tatra vannihi yatha mahanasam. Mahanasa has dhumatva, vannitva. So, with dhuma drishtanta, vanni siddhi is possible. Can I do vanni siddhi in Hrida? Why not? Because there is no hetu in paksha. In paksha there is no hetu. Paksha hetu abhava swarupa siddhi. In paksha, if hetu is not there, then you cannot do sadanumanam. And if hetu is not there, you cannot do. sadhya siddhi. So hetu is not there, sadhya is not there. Swayam Jyotishvam, not Swayam Jyotishvam. So Vaitatyam of their padarthas is possible only when in paksha hetu is there. Drishyatva hetu should be there. So Jagrat Drishya also has hetu. Swapna Drishya also has hetu. Then in Dhumavani Anumanam, after Vyapti and Drishtanta, what is the next step, fourth step? Pratignya Hetu Drishtanta. Then what is next? So you have to do Hetu Upanaya, what is given here by Bhashyakara. You have to show that Vyapti along with hetu in paksha. So paksha dharmata also should be there. The hetu should be there in paksha. That is this. Drishyatva is there in Jagrat also. So you need Vyapti and you need paksha dharmata. These two are required for sadhanumanam. Paksha dharmata means Vanni Vyapya Dhumavan Ayam Parvataha. That's why the fourth step in that is Tathacha Ayam. Tathacha Ayam means Tathacha Ayam Parvataha. Tatha means Vanni Vyapya Dhumavan. This Parvata also has Dhuma, which has Vanni Vyapti. This language slowly will help you in building that Anuman structure. Tathacha Ayam means Tathacha Ayam Parvataha. Ayam Parvataha means Vanni Vyapya Dhumavan. This Parvata is also having Dhuma, which has Vanni Vyapti, because Vyapti is already explained in the previous step. Yatra yatra Dhumas tatra tatra Vanni. This Parvata also has that Dhuma, which has Vyapti of Vanni. Therefore, Nigamanam, fifth step. What will be the Nigamanam? If you remember, in the original Anumanam, Nigamanam is Tasmat Tatha. Tasmat Tatha. Tasmat Parvato Vanniman. So Pratignya was Parvato Vanniman. Nigamanam is Tasmat Parvato Vanniman. Now you go to previous page, Tippani number 1. Vaitathyamiti. Everybody found? Page number 83. Everything is given. See, in Tippanikara, Jagrat Bhavaha Vitathaha. Up to that is Pratignya, Drishyatvat. Ye Drishyaha is Bahuvachanam. So, ye Drishyaha. Te Vitathaha. Yatha Swapna Bhavaha. Up to that is Vyapti. Tathacha ime. Tathacha ime Bhavaha. Like Tathacha ayam, we said in Parvata. Here it is Tathacha ime. Tatha ityasya mithyatva vyapya drishyatva vantaha. See, there what did I say? Vanni vyapya dhumavan parvataha. Here it is mithyatva vyapya drishyatva vantaha. Bahuvachanam. Mithyatva vyapya drishyatva vantaha. Vanni vyapya dhumavan. See how parallel it is? Only Bahuvachanam, that's all. So, Sadhya Vyapya Hetumantaha. Sadhya Vyapya Hetu means यत्र यत्र हेतु तत्र तत्र साध्यम. This language you have to pick up. तथा च इमे, तथा इति अस्य मिथ्यात्व व्याप्य दृश्यत्ववन्तः इत्यर्थः. This is step 4. Step 5 is तस्मात् तथा निगमनम. What is that? तस्माद् इत्यस्य मिथ्यात्व व्याप्य दृश्यत्वात्. Because of this हेतु, मिथ्यात्व व्याप्य दृश्यत्वात् तथा इत्यस्य च वैतथ्यवन्तः इति अनुमानम अत्र बोध्यम. And तथा, तस्मात् तथा, two शब्द are there in fifth step. So, तस्मात् means तस्माद् इत्यस्य मिथ्यात्व व्याप्य दृश्यत्वात्. तथा means वैतथ्यवन्तः. See, टीकाकार has assumed that somebody doesn't know anything how to do Anumana. He wrote the whole thing, all 5 steps in detail. No, but you see, if you say wetness of fuel, right? In lake, where is fuel? Wetness is there, but fuel is not there. Right. Correct. So there is no dhuma in paksha, in hrida. Therefore you cannot do vanni siddhi. Right. Right. It is because we don't see dhuma. Therefore, see, if you say in iron ball you want to do fire siddhi, how will you do? You cannot do, because you cannot use anumanam where one of the element of vyapti is not there. So if dhuma is not there, you cannot do vanni siddhi through anumanam. You will need pratyaksha pramana only. You cannot use anumana pramana there. So there dhuma is not there. Therefore you cannot do anumana to do vanni siddhi. Similarly in hrida also. So this first number tippani you write down separately and try to understand everything. 1. And then try to apply this as much as possible in your vyavahara. That if drishyatva is there, it is mithya. Mithya means it is anirvachaniya. It is not sat, it is not asat. Means it will be bhadita. It will not be eternal. It is not permanent. It is parichinna. All those things you have to understand. Second number tippani also you see. We have come to second number also. Yes. दृश्यानां भावानां वैतथ्यम इति स्वप्ने भावानां दृश्यत्वम वैतथ्यम च इत्यर्थः. स्वप्ने भावानां दृश्यत्वम. In swapna, padarthas are mithya. because of दृश्यत्व. अनेन दृश्यत्वस्य वैतथ्य व्याप्यत्वम उक्तम भवति. By this, दृश्यत्व has वैतथ्य व्याप्यत्वम means वैतथ्य is व्यापक, दृश्यत्व is व्याप्य. So you see this language, दृश्यत्वस्य वैतथ्य व्याप्यत्वम. दृश्यत्वस्य हेतोः साध्य व्याप्यम. So हेतु is व्याप्य और साध्य. In the first line it was said मिथ्यात्व व्याप्य दृश्यत्व. मिथ्यात्व व्याप्य दृश्यत्व means दृश्यत्व is व्याप्य, मिथ्यात्व is व्यापक. Here it is put दृश्यत्वस्य वैतथ्य व्याप्यत्वम. So whenever they give such things, here because we already know what is vyapya vyapaka, but when they give bigger anumanas, it is not easy to grasp this. Okay. So while we are on this topic, let me add some more things. So here this anumanam is done. Vyavaharik prapancho mithya drishyatvat swapna prapanchavat. But remember, Purvapakshis, they also have heard this anumanam, right? So Purvapakshi will ask, what is drishyatva? You define drishyatva. Is it vritti vyapyatvam? It is phala vyapyatvam? It is vritti vyapyatva or phala vyapyatva? Is it anya prakasha prakashitam? Like that, some 6 vikalpas are created in Advaita Siddhi on this anumanam. Then Siddhanti has to explain what is drishyatva. For example, when you see Shukti and you understand it is a Rajat, vritti vyapti, phala vyapti, both are there or not. That is discussed. Sukha dukkha. We know sukha dukkha is vyavaharika, it is mithya. Is vritti vyapti there? Phala vyapti is there? Because they are not chidabhasa bhasya. They are directly revealed by Sakshi. When we do anumanam of Vanni on Parvata, it is only paroksha jnana. Where there is only paroksha jnanam, there is no phala vyapti. Only vritti vyapti. So these different cases are taken. Pratibhasik vastu, its jnanam. Does it have vritti vyapti, phala vyapti? Sakshi bhasya, sukha dukkhadi, which are vyavaharika, they don't have vritti vyapti, phala vyapti. Anumanika padartha, they don't have phala vyapti. Brahma has only vritti vyapti. If you say that which has only vritti vyapti and no phala vyapti, so Brahma is only vritti vyapti. Vanni on Parvata also has anumanika, also has only vritti vyapti, no phala vyapti. Or atita vastu, objects of the past, Yudhishthiro Raja Bahuva, there is no phala vyapti, only vritti vyapti is there. Things of the future, so there, if you say only when there is phala vyapti then it is mithya, lot of things will be excluded. So you can't do that condition. Like that, a lot of things are discussed further on this drishyatva hetu only. After they all are resolved, Purvapakshi comes out with upadhi on this anumanam. He he says this drishyatva adi hetu are sopadika hetu. If you use anumanam, he will also use the language of anumanam. So there, big upadhis are there. If you want, I will just tell you the name of the upadhi, that's all. First upadhi he gives is Swabadhaka Abhimata Badhya Dosha Prayukta Bhanatvam. This is one upadhi. Swabadhaka Abhimata Badhya Dosha Prayukta Bhanatvam. Next upadhi he gives Swabadhaka Abadhya Badhaka Prati Nishedhyatvena Vishayatvam. Swabadhaka Abadhya Badhakam Prati Nishedhyatvena Vishayatvam. This is second upadhi. Then he gives third upadhi Adhishthanatva Abhimata Samasattaka Dosha Hetujanya Jnana Vishayatvam. Adhishthanatva Abhimata Samasattaka Dosha Hetujanya Vahana Vishayatvam. So what I want to tell is that the journey doesn't end with only drishyatva. This is mananam. On anumana, if there is upadhi, hetu will become sopadhika. Sopadhika hetu is hetuavasa. Like if I say yatra yatra vannihi, tatra tatra dhumaha. So vanni is the hetu for dhuma siddhi. It is a sopadhika hetu. Because there ardra indhana sanyoga is there. Ardra indhana sanyoga is a upadhi. Means upadhi is there, therefore you seem to have this vyapti. Vanni and yatra yatra vanni tatra tatra dhuma. So it is not true vyapti. Therefore this anumanam is erroneous. Like this, further discussion goes on. See टीका तृतीयेन पादेन पक्षधर्मत्वं व्याप्तस्य हेतुः उच्यते तद्दर्शयति. तृतीय पाद is पक्षधर्मत्व व्याप्ति. तृतीय पाद here यथा तत्र तथा स्वप्ने. So यथा स्वप्ने तथा तत्र जागृति, in that way. तथा जागृति. Just as in swapna, so is in jagrat. So paksha has that paksha dharmata is there of vyapti. Hetuho vyapti and hetu both are there. Hetuho uchyate taddarshayati yatha. Then टीका फर्दर द्वितीयेन पादेन प्रतिकूल प्रमाण अभाव सूचकम प्रतिज्ञा उपसंहार वचनम निगमनम सूत्रितम इत्याह. एंड बाय द सेकंड पाद प्रतिकूल प्रमाण अभाव सूचकम प्रतिज्ञा उपसंहार वचनम निगमनम. तस्मात् जागरिते अपि वैतथ्यम स्मृतम इति निगमनम. दिस पार्ट एंड फर्दर टीका एंड ऑल I will explain in the next session. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः.